Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sinovuyo Mondliwa. I'm from South Africa and I create content around natural hair. So I was actually looking for a go-to protective style like low manipulation that I can wear and be cute in the house during quarantine. And I just don't want to wear my hair like this. It's not cute. So I can snap like on my Instagram and just chill, and like when I walk past the mirror and I see myself, I just want to look a bit cute. So I came across this flat twist that's rather loose. In the video that I actually reference, which I'll tag at the bottom, Carol, she calls it a halo, flat twist halo. Sihle also posted it on Instagram, one of the natural hair care people that I follow. She posted a picture of someone else who did it, and I was like, actually I want to try this, you know. I don't know why I keep coming to YouTube to try things for the first time. I should actually practice it and then come, but I mean, I feel like it's a bit thrilling when I try it here for the first time. Okay, so I'll be using my Denman brush to just ease my hair and detangle it wherever needed. This I got from Dis-Chem for about 140 Rand. I'll also be using my hemp seed oil from Afro Botanics. This I'll just like put on the tips of my fingers when I'm undoing my hair. I did these braids last night. So they aren't dried out, as in there's still some product from when I moisturized yesterday, so I won't be doing my lock method. The oil just helps with slip when you undo your twist, your overnight twists or your overnight braids. It will just also go into the hair a bit, you know. I haven't brushed my hair or done anything. I'm gonna use my Denman brush just to straighten out that hair, detangle it a bit. Remember, it's not wet, so I don't want to go in too hard with the brush. Okay, so I had to fetch my edge brush because I remembered that you have to, this is what it looks like. Because I remembered that I have to open a line. So I actually can't decide where to put my line. I'm using my camera as a mirror. So I don't know if I should put it there or there to do the halo. Any, mini, mani, mo. Okay, I'm gonna do it there. And I'm just gonna be careful just to separate the hair. Don't pull it. Yeah, that's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. I hope this really works out. I think maybe the reason why I was a bit confident trying it here for the first time is because I have done a flat twist before, but mine was tighter and it was less, it was smaller. I'm just trying to motivate my hair to stretch. I'm also gonna open a line at the back. So let's start the flat twist. I'm gonna start it as far front as possible. I'm gonna just separate my hair into sections like that, just to start off. The rest, I think, will then just flow. I'm so nervous about this actually. Also my hair, it's not looking too fabulous. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Excuse the banging. My neighbors are changing their Wi-Fi provider. So. Okay. Okay, not bad at all. I think it's just way too tight. So I remember Carol then loosened it, like she pulled the, she also almost like pulling it loose. Okay, so I think this side will show more. Okay, so I'm doing the second side. This is the outcome of the first side. I'm okay with it. I'm actually gonna put some gel and make it look a little bit funky. So I've noticed that the hair has to be quite combed out because my hair is still quite kinky, so it's got a lot of curls. So I probably should have dried out the hair more and then stretched it out more, but I just don't believe that's really healthy for my hair. So I'll just have to live with the outcome of this. But I think definitely stretching it out more does help. But you guys all know I'm not the biggest fan of stretching, so. You want that volume, so you don't want to flatten here, but you can flatten here at the back where you fit when you're taking the hair. I don't know why I've waited so long to do this hairstyle. Then I just ended off by doing a 3-strand braid. Carol did tuck hers in, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna tuck mine in. I'll just see how it looks. This side, okay, I have to tuck it in. Doesn't look too cute. Oh, she actually pulled them across. I'll twist them and then tuck in. You can use pins. I just want to loosen here to make this have more volume. Let me get some pins. Should I tuck it in or not? And that's it. That's my first attempt at a flat twist, a bigger one. And I'm going to tie the back because I can't find my pins. So just pull it to the back. This is a very good first attempt in my opinion. The definition isn't the best, but it's not bad at all. I can definitely wear this for 2 or 3 days. I think it's cute. I'm going to use this gel from Woolies just to take out some strands of hair and define them. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to define them using gel just for that cute look. I don't even know if it's cute, but this is how I've seen people wear this hairstyle. They stick out pieces of hair on the side. Oh, that one's too long. Okay, that's not gonna work. I have to tuck this back in. Let me just fully absorb the gel. Tuck it back in. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let me just do a little bit. So there, okay. So I just have to pull out a little bit. There we go. I'm also gonna use the leftover gel on my edges. Savage! Did you guys hear the new Savage remix with Beyonce? Edges, darling. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let me know if you do try it out. So this is going to be my hairstyle for the rest of the week. I'm so excited, and the weekend. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment down below. Let me know if you try the hairstyle and if you like it. Let me know how my first attempt was. And yeah, have a good weekend, guys. This is my last video this week. I feel like I've been uploading every day. See, natural.